Hey, if you ever thought about getting a plant from like Thailand, Indonesia, Philippines, those are like the hot spots of the plant world right now, that area. I'm going to give you some tips on what to do and what to watch out for when buying plants internationally. Keep watching. Hey folks, this is Gerard's Horticulture. My name is Gerard. I am a plant collector, a YouTuber, and I love plants, everything about them. The colors, the shapes, the vibes, the moods, they just do so much for you. And they also help you lift weights if you checked out my Instagram. So today we're going to be getting into some video or some information on do's and don'ts with plants. So yeah, I've made tons of mistakes and lessons that I've learned, but I've actually got some good plants from Thailand. I've paid moderately. I wouldn't say I went on the expensive end, but I've bought semi-bulk. I got a few plants. If you see my videos, you know I got some plants that are up there, but I try to offset my sales or my spending habit on the plants by reselling plants that I could sell on Facebook and other social media sites. So that's how I kind of justify me buying these expensive plants. But what I want to tell you in today's video is 6 do's and don'ts, what to do when you're buying plants from overseas and you're just not sure of the seller. What I would recommend, number one, is check an unboxing. All these tubers, including myself, we do unboxing videos. I've done a lot of unboxing videos from online. You can check the videos on that, but some have been good, some have been bad. But I want to just tell you the things that I should have done before I hit that pay button. Number two is basically, if they're wanting to get your business, make sure you go use a third-party site like PayPal, Android Pay, iPay, Venmo, Cash App. Check out all of those options. Just don't do like a straight Visa, MasterCard payment. Make sure you use like a third-party site just to secure your payment and just to give you some level of trust and just to help you stop sweating more, just when because it definitely helped me stop sweating more. Even though PayPal, they can only do so much, it kind of just makes you feel like you have like added protection when you're using PayPal, Android Pay. Number three, make sure you know the plant description and what you're getting, because I've been very upset because I've been duped and I made the mistake of not reading the fine print of the size, because some of these plants coming from overseas, they could say the plant could come in smaller or larger. They're not going to tell you which specific one, but actually I avoided that by actually contacting the seller, and I asked to show me a picture of exactly what you're selling, or I'm not buying. And I made out pretty good that way. Number four, see if there's any extra cost. Usually when you're shipping or buying plants overseas, it's going to need a Phyto certificate. So they do charge anywhere between 25 to 50 bucks. Just be aware of that. And Phyto certificate just declares what type of plant you're getting when they're shipping it from one point to another, and you will pay extra for that. Number five is a huge thing too. You just want to make sure how it's being shipped. Now, what I've learned is if they ship it by boat, your plant's gonna come dead. If they ship it by air, it should be there within a couple of days. But if you ship it by boat from Thailand to like the US, I think it takes a couple weeks. And you don't want your plant chilling in a boat somewhere off the coast of like Africa, just chilling, waiting to get to you, and it's taking forever. So make sure you know if it's going by air or by sea. Now, I believe the size of the package also varies, which they do when they calculate the plant shipping methods. They calculate either whatever is greater, the size or the weight. Usually plants are pretty much light, so you'll be charged on the size of the box, and that's basically also what I've discovered. But that's pretty much it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and also check me out on Instagram at Gerard's Horticulture Culture. Gerard's Horticulture Culture on Instagram. I should just change that to GHC. I think that would be a little better for the tongue, even though like you need to move your tongue anyway, but why not just shorten it up? So if you want to just call me GHC, I don't mind. As long as it's not THC and just GHC, I'm all right with that. But that's pretty much it, guys. Keep growing.